Hey guys, it's Samana Pizangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to serve today. So if it is, you know, yesterday it was the Amashe's birthday, being this first wife. Guys, I'm so happy because there's someone I don't see in the comment section. We all know that when Mpumelelo is posting a woman, she will run to the comment section. Utirelo, guys, I love that Utirelo decided to give Amahle the respect she deserves. You know, when you are sharing a man, it's so hard, guys. I still remember Umayini once complained Gotobile to say, when you think you are the only wife, because sometimes when you're sharing a man with someone and you're spending with your man for 2 days, they will be calling non-stop. When you're posting him, they will be commenting, acting as if when you are nothing, you're not the wife, you know. So I love this for Terelo for respecting Amahle, guys. I still remember Uvio guys once complained Utirelo once said they share everything no Mpumelelo. You know, it was look like Utirelo has so much power, and people used to say there's no connection between Mpumelelo and Amahle because of Tirelo's behavior, guys. The people used to say Mpumelelo loves Tirelo more than Amahle, but right now we can see they do love each other. It's just that Amahle, she's not a loud person. So this is what Mayene has to say to her first daughter-in-law. Happy birthday, good. Love this for Mayene, guys. She love Amahle, guys. We don't know behind the scene. Maybe they are close. Maybe they do visit each other. It's just that Amahle, she doesn't like to post. You can see Amahle, guys. She's always minding her own business. Person who decided to post a birthday post, it was the only king of Isitembu Mese Musamsaleko, guys. On Saturday it was Tobile's birthday, so Musamsaleko decided to post on Tuesday. Maybe he saw Mpumelelo posting he was like, no, I forgot my wife. On Saturday it was her birthday, let me post her. Then this is what he has to say. Siyabonga kakhulu ngokukhula kwakho, you are such amazing person. And people were like, on Tuesday, Musamsaleko, Tobile's birthday, it was on Saturday. So one day about Musamsaleko, he said, Musamsaleko, guys, will never Toby it's time to accept their husband the way he is or just move on. It is what it is. It's a conversation. What think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment, happy